Hey beautiful people, what's up? As you've already seen on the title, today we're going to discuss about web designing business. Let's say for example, you have a team and you think that you have web designing ability around various technology and you are currently delivered to your clients. I get so many emails and so many messages saying, sir, we think that our web designing business is a dead end business. We are unable to retain a client for a longer period of time. What should be the right business model? How exactly I can ensure that the client that is getting closed by me or the clients to whom we are delivering, how exactly we can ensure that we can improve the lifetime value of the customer. So today, no matter what level of web design business you have, what technology you cater, today I'm going to discuss that what are the different ways how you can actually leverage this industry to generate revenue in your company. No matter whether you are a startup agency or you are a, let's say you are a well established mid-size web designing firm. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you are following me for the first time or if you are watching the content on my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, because this is the only channel under the sun that provides credible and effective information around the digital services industry. And if you're absolutely somebody who has been following us for a while, then please share, comment, and please share your thoughts, and please hit on the like button. It gives a lot of motivation to us. So without any further ado, let's go to the screen and understand things in details. When it comes to web designing business, the first and foremost thing you need to understand what should be the business model. So here I have listed around 8 different type of business models that will help you to introspect today with your team or with your co-founder, and you can speculate and understand what are the business models that you can adopt in your business. Currently you might be doing you might be adopting or following any of the business models right now. Now let us understand the very first business model that I say is low ticket and high LTV. What is this low ticket high LTV business? What exactly is this low ticket high LTV business? Low ticket and high LTV business is something, as the name says, you sell the service at a low ticket, but you ensure that customer's lifetime value with your company is very high. That means the customer keeps on paying you on a recurring basis. And how exactly is it possible? Technically, in such business models, the cost of the website that you are selling is template based. It's not going to be more than 10 to 12 pages, like you are just giving website designing services to local services, professional services, repair services. $200 to $300 can be your website. Now see where exactly the revenue is. The revenue is here around annual maintenance charge. The moment you close a client, you need to understand, you have to make the contract so clean and clear that the customer should be very clear that this is not going to be the only service. The customer need to pay an annual maintenance charge, because once the website is done, you have to ensure that the website needs updates also every single year, and this is where your real revenue is lying, right? And you need not need to focus or put in a lot of resource to give that annual maintenance service, right? And this is going to one of the most powerful passive income sources that I say. It can be a very strong passive income source. And the annual maintenance charge, when it comes to India, when it comes to Bangalore market, I must say that companies are charging around 5,000 to 7,000 rupees yearly. And one of our companies, we are having a portfolio of 4,000 plus websites where we are collecting on an average of 5,000 to 7,000 revenue every year on the ground of annual maintenance charge. So it can be content update security, speed optimizing, or you just update the plugin and so on and so forth. So this is the very first business model that you can think of right now if you are absolutely beginning your business. Because in the beginning, nobody is going to give you a lot of money. And let's say for example, if you are in a city where you feel like it's very difficult to get high ticket clients, the affordability of the market is not that much high, then you can go ahead with this kind of model. The next kind of model is reselling business model. Now reselling business model can be merged with the AMC business model also. So you need to understand how exactly what is your feasibility. Reselling business model, you kind of become an affiliate to multiple hosting and domain service providers. You give out a website, we can say you can give out a website, let's say for example, at a rate of 10,000 to 15,000 range, and every single year on the renewal of the hosting you make your commission. So there are multiple domain shared hosting service providing companies, Hostinger, GoDaddy. You can go with any. I'm not recommending any hosting company right now, to be very honest. Okay, you can have your on-premise hosting also, on-premise server also, to maintain all these things. So there are multiple shared and distributed systems that will help you to manage the hosting of your clients. So you can make money by just renewing the hosting. I say this, it's a yearly affiliate recharge for domain and hosting, and this is going to be a second business model that you can do. The third type of business model, I must say, it's upsell cross-sell model. What is upsell and cross-sell model? Now you see somebody who makes a home or builds a house, he or she also needs to market it, right? Website is just like a house. So boys, what exactly upsell cross-sell means? The moment you start developing website website and delivering the client, you have to start analyzing their business requirement, the future business requirement, and start suggesting them what additional services they should be requiring in their business to grow their revenue. So you have to give them a business audit, a free business audit, maybe a consulting, and you can pitch them additional digital services. Now you might be having a question that, bro, I don't have all the additional digital marketing services that you are saying, like let's say for example Google ads, Meta ads or SEO. You can tie up with any other company, which we say you can tie up with complementing companies, the company which are not your competitor, but they have the services that your customers might be needing, and you can kind of I must say that you can mobilize your clients and ensure that your client get your clients connect with those people, and you make a commission of let's say 20% in between. So this is upsell and cross sell model. There are so many web designing companies, they come to AdMe, which is the Asia's #1 AI based digital marketing and business leaders academy, where we help freelancers and agency owners to stabilize and scale their business. So we have so many mentees who are web developers. They come and learn the additional digital marketing services and expand their portfolio and leverage this upsell and cross sell model and grow their business. The next important business model right now, I must say, this is an interesting one. This is called as WAAS, website as a service. How exactly does it work? Now it's all about positioning your company. How exactly you're positioning your company? Let's say for example in the past you have catered to multiple clients from the gym industry. So now that you have already catered to multiple clients from the gym industry, you have all the templates, you have all the use cases, you have all the funnels, you have all the templates ready, all the landing pages ready, the user interface is ready, absolutely pertaining to the requirement of the gym industry. So now that in future any other gym guy comes to you to develop a website, you do not need to redo everything from scratch. All that you have to do is you have to sell your website designing services in form of a package that consists of multiple pages or templates, and just deliver them as a package. So you are saving a lot of time here. You are just not saving your time in terms of development, but you are making instant money. Now see, a gym has some specific requirement. They need an online payment gateway, they need an online training platform, they might be needing offer where students can enroll in their 7 days free weight loss program and further enroll to their main program, which is kind of a lead magnet and the funnel system. They might be having a tool where exactly their gym clients can go there and download the diet plan or diet routine. So they have very specific requirement to their industry. Now that the entire thing that is required for a gym industry is ready with you as a package right now. So all that you can do is you have to just deliver them this with just like a product. Now you see, you can combine website as a service with the AMC and with the reselling business model also. So the entire motto, how you can combine multiple business models and you can start giving services to the client. Beauty of website as a service businesses is all about positioning also. Now it becomes very, very easy for you to market your company. Now if you are choosing the keywords like web designing company for gyms, web designing company for recruitment agencies, it becomes very, very easy to skyrocket your growth on Google as well. Because these are absolute micro niche keywords, it becomes very, very easy to position and cater your services or transmit your message around a specific problem for a specific industry so easily. It becomes very, very easy to promote your services. You cut through the competition easily, and it is very much important that if you are a web designing company, you have to ensure that your message reaches out to the people fast and in a convenient way. And when you are promoting yourself as a specific web designing solution company for a specific industry, you get visibility really, really fast. The next important, or I would say the interesting one, is white labeled agency. White labeled agency business model, where you exactly connect with the bigger agencies, connect with the HR team members, connect with the project managers, and you market your technology to them. No matter if you have a team, let's say they are expert in Ruby on Rails, they are expert in PHP, you can market your services and promote your technology to those companies. These are the bigger agencies with whom you are going to connect. Who knows that they might hire your team on a monthly or hourly basis. In another aspect, this is also called as IT outsourcing business, staff augmentation business. If you want me to make a very detailed video how you can grow your IT outsourcing business, comment below. I'll definitely make a video on that. The next interesting business model is called as your drop servicing business model. What exactly is this drop servicing business model? As the name says, drop servicing. That means you web designing company, you just focus on lead generation and closing the client, and you get the work done on Upwork and Fiverr. Now here you did not need to be a seller on Upwork or Fiverr. Here you become a buyer. Today we work on this particular specific model, right? Drop servicing business model. Here you have to focus absolutely on digital marketing your services. You run ads, you build your own funnels, you generate a website designing client, and you understand the requirement, and you connect with your team on Fiverr, Upwork, or any freelance network that you have created, right? You have to just outsource and keep your 40% profit, at least a 40% profit in this entire game. So this is the next how you can do. The next important business model is custom development business model. Today most of you are working on this, where you kind of you might be a company expert in developing minimum viable product. You are into custom development. This is high ticket services. High ticket services, it's absolutely a technology business. This is something that most of you might be doing in Bangalore. It's a high ticket service, and you kind of keep around 100% of the profit. It is all about understanding the cost of delivery and development, and you keep around 100% profit around this, right? This is a very, very enriching business to be in, selling your technology. Again, here you say, let's say there is a guy who want to develop an app. There is a company that we want to develop a logistic website from United States of America, and they have their own tech team. They want to expand into multiple different locations. You market your services to them. You write your own case studies. You develop your own funnels. Generate the leads. Your project manager, your solution expert will conduct a meeting with them and give them a custom solution. Will create a proof of concept. Will develop the UI. And you start developing the website. And this is another business model highly popular these days. It's highly popular. It's a traditional business model actually. Then comes value based service, and this is where most of the website designing agencies are lacking, have a deficiency, having this strong deficiency around this business model. What exactly is the business model? Value based. Any website that you have delivered in the past, ensure to build case studies around it. We have a case study how our web development solution or how our web designing services has helped logistic clients to cut down their operational cost by 20%. We have an absolute data around it. We have created our own dashboards. We have been working with the client for last 2 years, understanding that how they are using the website in their business, and how we can develop the outcome of our website designing business in a quantified way. How exactly the website development services that you have catered in the past have helped them to make more money or save certain cost. If this is the data you have, then you can market your business on the value outcome basis. That means you can absolutely say and present your case study, say, hey, our website has helped your company, multiple companies in the past in your industry to improve their revenue by 10 to 20% quarter on quarter, right? Or help their business to grow at a rate of 5 to 20% quarter on quarter, and this is something that we are charging. That means we just need to ensure that it's a 5 to 10% of the outcome that you are charging. Let's say for example you have a proven data that your website client has ensured that the website has created a pipeline or a lead or a pipeline of leads worth 10 crores in a year and eventually generated a revenue of 2 crores via the website, then you can charge a 5% of that. So this is called as value based service. It absolutely depends on you, your temperament, your nature. Discuss with your team. My guide as a mentor, consultant and coach is to guide you and in the right direction. You can blend multiple business models and think of your own. So however, I believe that the video has added certain value to your time. If you have something to add, please use the comment section. I would love to have a discussion. If you want me to make some another video around any of this business model in details, please use the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. All the best.
Hey, the good news is ADME is proud that it has launched its Asia's #1 AI-enabled advanced digital marketing and business leadership program. It's the only program under the sun that provides an holistic approach to the business. That means you learn the entire marketing system from scratch to advanced. You learn to build the entire sales system from scratch to the advanced level. You also learn how to deliver and fulfill a digital marketing project as well. That means we are a 360-degree learning platform. Why ADME? If you just listen the benefits, you will just get amazed. Number one, it's due to our track record. 15 years experience in the industry, and recently we have been awarded as the most trusted digital marketing learning platform 2023. We have helped hundreds of students to achieve their professional success and achieve their business goals in the shortest time humanly possible. More than 5,000 success stories already created. It's a live class program and absolutely in an interactive way. That means you can interact with the trainer, with me directly one to one, no matter what doubt you have around your business, around operation, around tools, around your future ideas. No matter, you can directly interact with me directly in a live interactive session with unlimited doubt clearing support. Lifetime mentorship, that means after the completion of the program, that is 4.5 months of live classes. After 4.5 months also, every weekend we will handhold you, we will guide you with the most advanced and real-time updated topics. That means one-time admission and lifetime learning. That means you take an admission one time and upgrade yourself for rest of the life. 2 months of paid internship. If you are a job seeker, then this is a gem. 2 months of paid internship will get paid while learning, while working with our ongoing live projects. It's completely an agency-based program. That means you'll get a chance to work with our team leaders and project managers. Largest learning management system with all live classes, scripts, SOPs, PowerPoint, Mind Masters, all recorded lectures on one platform in an auto-upgradable way. That means anything in the future that upgrades in terms of tools, technologies, or consumer behavior will give you the new absolute fresh lecture, no matter whether you are an alumni or you are in any ongoing batch. Unlimited doubt clearing support. That means even after the completion of the program, if you want to upgrade your career from manager, you want to upgrade yourself to a senior manager. If you want to upgrade your business, we are there to help you no matter what. If it is tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year, or after 3 to 4 years, right? It's absolutely curated and customized for job seekers, job aspirants, and also freelancers, agency owners, and business owners. So what are you still waiting for? Click on the link somewhere around the video in the description or somewhere in the bio and book a call with our student success manager. We only train very limited students to ensure quality because the next batch is starting soon. All the best. See you in the live class.